Yeah, so I'm gonna do another video today. Um, it has to do with building credit, starter loans, how to get your credit score up real fast. But I want to start the video off by saying, don't forget to drop a like, drop a comment. I'm open to criticism. I'm not a sensitive person. Like I'm willing to learn. And if you see me saying something wrong or some of my information is a little off, feel free to drop that comment. You know, um, turn the Noti Gang on, subscribe. And, I'll be coming with plenty more information for you guys. But today, I'm gonna get into like a starter loan using this app called Moneyline. Those of you who don't know, Moneyline is I believe like a mobile banking app, but they have features on their app that's excellent for building credit and getting loans and small advances. So, you know, I just thought I'd get into it with you guys about that. So, first things first, Moneyline is what they do is you can sign up for Moneyline and they'll track your bank account. You hook your debit card and bank account up. They'll track your spending and they'll allow you a certain amount of money to as a cash advance. Now, normally with bad credit and stuff like that, you typically start off, they give you $10 in advance. You pay that back, and they up you, so forth and so forth. But this is really good for people who want starter loans or to build credit. Now, I get some people are going to want the loan without putting down any liquidity or whatever, but if you have low credit and you're getting a starter loan, they probably will require, they'll set up a payment plan for your loan, but you really have to pay the loan off before you get the loan. And then they reserve the credit for the loan and they send you the money back. So basically, you built a good history of payments with them, so they trusted you enough to release this loan. Now, once they release this loan, you've built, a credible history with them. So you may have good income coming in. They may decide, hey, we can give you $1,000, $2,500. We see your income. We're gonna base off that. However, if you've taken a starter loan and you did the basic steps of paying it back before you actually get it, which they set you up in like monthly payments, they accommodate you. The second time go around, you may be established as good enough credit with them to get your next loan without putting down any equity. Or you may have to apply for the loan again and they may say, okay, well, we're going to send you 300 up front and reserve the 700 and you pay that 700 off and then we'll send you the rest because we're still building with you. You may have not had good credit or, it's just certain things, but they may also not ask for equity that second time. They may just say, hey, he's in good standing with us. Let's just go ahead and give him the loan. They also have a program called instacash. So the more you pay that back, the higher your boost gets, which means they loan you more and more instacash on top of the credit builder loan that you may also get. So, like I was saying, for anybody who's building credit, want to start building credit, they want an easy way to start and minimum, payments. Moneyline is perfect. It's perfect. I also have a referral link that I'll drop down in the description for you guys. If you don't mind using it, it'll help me out. You can also refer people to get bigger cash advances boost. That's how that works. But yeah, overall, it's a great app for people who want to build credit. Or if you have great credit, they have good programs for you to get other loans. They partner with other businesses on their app and, they kind of make it easier for you to qualify for the loans based off of your history with them. So yeah, it's Money Lion. Look for the Credit Builder Plus. Also, look for the instacash advance. They do have a membership. It's about $20 a month, but I think it's worth it. Moneyline is a great credit tracker app. So, and also you get a virtual debit card with this account. It's a real bank account. You get a physical and a virtual debit card. So if you ever lose your card, it's right there on your phone. You can type it in. It works with Cash App, all these things. But like I say, the main thing that I want to get out there is this is for people really trying to build credit. If you're just trying to get a loan and you're not really focused on progression and the important parts of actually being responsible with it, it's probably not for you. But for the ones who are looking for an opportunity to start building credit or get a loan with low credit, this is a perfect opportunity. Honestly, I've been working with them, and I actually was able to start getting my loans without equity down. And cash advances start off at around $50 to $200. And if you have, like I said, if you have a decent income coming in from your job or whatever, if you set up direct deposit, they will advance you, up to $1,000 to 1,200 because they're trusting you. They can monitor you. They know, okay, they're going to pay it back. But you have to set up a bank account and you have to set up a debit card for them to be able to read that, to understand that, okay, we can go forward with business. But yeah, go check it out. It's Money Lion, and just it's just that simple. If you need my help, I'll put down some way of you to contact me. Feel free to comment. Let me know anything that you have questions about, anything that you feel I could have did different, any type of videos that you would prefer me doing. If there's any information if you feel like I could do a little more research with some of these topics, whatever you feel, whatever you have on your mind, whatever you think could help me improve or help you understand better, I'm all ears. Like I said, I'm not sensitive. I'm open to criticism. I'm doing this for you guys so you guys can have knowledge of what's going on, because credit is power. If you guys start building that right now, Moneyline can take you a long way. I'm just gonna say that. But yeah, the referral link will be down below. Drop a like, please subscribe, tell your friends. I will have all kind of financial advice and videos that I'm gonna be uploading because I've been lacking lately on them. But I got a little bit of knowledge on some new things. So I'm gonna be trying to flood you guys at least 2 videos every 3 to 4 days, maybe a week, or maybe sooner, depending on what type of information I have or how things go. I don't rehearse these videos or even prepare for them. I just, spontaneous mindset. Once I have a little bit of facts I can think about, I like to get it to you guys as soon as possible, and I like to clean up on the ends and fix the mistakes that I made along the way. But I just mainly like to get you the information. So, like I said, support, drop a subscribe, drop a like, and I'm out, man. Peace.